So this is a new super air pistol from China. So we're trying to see if it's accurate, and we're
Test it
just
for the first time.
testing, and we're just having fun.
Yeah.
Fun or not.
Okay. Same direction.
Safety.
Yeah, it's ready.
So same principle.
Same principle. Yeah. Same targets. 15 yards. So what do you think? It's shooting low,
Shooting left.
left, and low. So
See, because the speed is slower,
yeah.
so maybe it's going down even faster.
Make your adjustment. Adjust to the right.
Still going left.
Still left, right?
Because the trigger pull is heavier,
Yeah.
it's harder to pull.
Left by.
Still going left.
Shoot it on the right side of the bottle.
Yeah, I already aimed at the edge. Maybe I'll aim it further out. It's here. So it's harder to hit with the
It's more challenging.
It's more challenging, and the gap of the sight is wider.
Yeah.
The rear sight. So it's
Oh,
hard.
yeah, it's wide.
It's harder to center it.
So this is the bottle. Aim here.
Yeah, I aim to the right side. When I pull, it moves to the left. I
So,
guess. Maybe I need to aim further to the right.
yeah. Plus, you see, it's. I think it's hitting lower, cause it's this. The pellet is
It's
slower,
moving slower.
slower than the previous gun. Let's see. You need to
Yeah.
find the.
I got spoiled with the red dot
Yeah, you
earlier.
got spoiled with the red dot. You got spoiled with the red dot. This is
This is open sight.
open side, and it's more, the design is more crude, and the mechanism is crude. Here you go. Oh, so where did you
I
do
aim
it?
to the right and then more space further
okay.
out. So it's not like aiming on the water, actually, at the water.
You're aiming at the water.
The right side of the bottle. That's why
You
it
can move later.
sight. But the gap is so wide. It's like
Yeah, gap between the rear side and the front side is wide, so
let's see if
at least
it's
you're hitting it. Aim at the same spot. There you go. You hit
Alright,
again.
yeah.
Oh, nice. Aim at the same, spot.
So we got 2 in a row.
2 in a row.
Let's see if we get 3 in a row.
Relax. Relax. Miss.
But I aimed at the same spot and still went to the left.
Yeah, because guns like this, they're spring. Sometimes they're not consistent.
This is mechanical.
Yeah, compression, extension of the spring.
Because the trigger pull is heavier.
Yeah, the trigger
So
pull.
when you pull it, it moves to the left actually when you fire it.
Okay.
See?
Ah.
It moves to
Yeah, I think it's straight, but the windage, they have problems with the windage, not the elevation. Shoot, yeah, I'm still shooting at the left.
And there's no wind, so it's not the wind that's pushing it.
Yeah, it's the gun. Yeah, by the way, this is a new gun, so usually guns like this have a break-in period because it uses spring, decompression and compression of spring, so it needs a few rounds for it to shoot consistently. Shoot left pa rin. Still shooting left. Let me see. So, wala makatama. Okay, diretso ka, so mataas. The elevation is wrong.
Move to the left.
I think you need to adjust the rear side.
It's adjustable.
Yeah, I think it is Phillips, small Phillips.
It's almost there. Just don't know where the butt. Didn't go straight.
So that's the oil. We're burning the oil. Yeah. Burning the oil. Where's the impact? Left or right?
Left burn. Going left. So maybe if I will
Need to compensate.
aim further to the right.
Compensate.
To the right.
There you go. So how far? How far? How many
Further.
inches?
Like 1 inch
To
to
the
the right.
1 inch to the right. Okay, let me try if I can duplicate. Oh, it's shaky.
It's moving. Hit the other one.
Yeah, I'm hitting the other one. I think I need to adjust at least 2 inches. There
Yan,
you go.
That's a hit.
At least 2 inches to the right.
2 inches naman yan.
Yeah. Like I said, the advantage of this gun is you don't need any CO2 cartridge, just the pellets and go. The disadvantage, it's not that accurate, it's not that easy to shoot, it's not that easy to aim, and it's not easy to cock.
I think when I pull the trigger because it's harder,
Yeah, the
so
trigger.
it push the barrel to the left, I think.
Let me shoot some more. Left pa rin.
To the left. Is this rifled barrel?
Yeah, it is.
Ayun.
2 inches to the left, to the right.
2 inches talaga. Hindi
Oh,
lang
to the right.
So you need
2 inches
more.
to the right.
So you need more to
Yeah.
aim in the right.
Aim at the other target. It's not moving. Oh,
Yun,
see.
that's right.
Okay.
So further.
Further to the
Yeah.
right. Okay, so in closing, I already mentioned this gun is not, for,
Competition.
yeah, definitely not for competition, not for hunting, because you might just injure your target, especially like squirrels. Although this is 22 caliber, this is just for plinking cans. I don't recommend this for hunting because you need what do you call this, swift kill for your targets, for your game. Okay, uh, this has problems with the sight, the cocking. This is sharp. Okay, the front sight is sharp and thin. So there's a lot of space in
Yeah.
between the rear sight.
Rear
Although
sight.
the rear sight is carbon fiber, the front sight is just a piece of metal, sharp piece of metal. Okay. And what else? We have problems with the windage. This gun shoots to the left most of the time. I think we need to adjust the rear sight because that's the only thing adjustable here. Front sight is fixed. But other than that, I told the Pan that if you have this, you just need pellets and that's it. You can
That's
just
it,
plink
yeah.
away. Okay, you don't need any more CO2 or anything. Just the gun and the pellets. So
But it's still fun to shoot,
yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
especially when you hit the target because
Mhm.